Here is how to build an inventory tracker in Notion, step by step. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page. This page will hold the full inventory tracker. So give it a title that matches the items you want to manage. Once the page is open, move to the area where you can add content and create a new database. Choose the option to make a table database. This gives you a structured layout where each row represents one inventory item and each column stores a specific detail about that item. A table is a practical starting view because it lets you enter and scan item data in one place. Next, add the properties your tracker needs. Create columns for item name, category, quantity, stock status, unit price, supplier, location, and last updated. Each property should match the kind of information you want to store. Item name will usually stay as the main title field, while the other properties can be set up to fit the data you plan to enter. This keeps the database consistent as you add more records. After the properties are ready, begin adding your inventory items. Click New to create a record. Then enter the details for each item across the columns you made. Add the item name, assign a category, enter the quantity, note the stock status, include the unit price, and fill in supplier, location, and the last updated value. Continue this process for each product, material, or supply you want to track. Consistent entries will make sorting and reviewing much clearer later. Once your items are in place, create additional views for the database. Click New View and add views such as Table, Board, and List. Each one gives you a different way to look at the same inventory. The table view works well for direct data entry. The board view can help you see grouped item status at a glance, and the list view can give you a cleaner summary when you want less visual detail. With the views created, organize the database using Filter, Sort, and Group. You can filter items by category, stock status, supplier, or location to narrow what appears on screen. Sorting helps arrange records in a useful order, such as by quantity or supplier. Grouping places related items together, which is useful when reviewing sections of your inventory without changing the underlying data. Then open View Settings to customize how the database looks. Adjust the layout so the view matches the way you want to work, manage which properties stay visible, and apply conditional colors to highlight inventory status. This makes low stock, available stock, or other status values easier to notice while scanning the database. Keep the tracker current by updating quantities, adding new items, and editing existing records regularly. The more consistently the database is maintained, the more accurate the inventory view will remain over time. Your Notion inventory tracker is now set up with item properties, multiple views, and organized inventory records.